Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is merge two BSTs. So we have given two BSTs binary tree. So we have given root node and we have to merge and return in a sorted form in a list. So we have this. So after traversing the binary tree 1 and 2, we have this list. So we have to return the sorted list. So let's build the approach. We have tree 1 and tree 2. If you don't know, BST in-order traversal is the sorted order. So let's start the in-order traversal. First we go left, then left, then left. So its left is null, then the root. So we add 2 in our list. This is our list 1. Then we go right, right is null. Then node means 3. Then we go right, left is null, then node 4, then right. So then node 5, then right, left is null, node, then right, node is 6. And let's do the same thing for tree 2. So we have left, left is null, node. So this is our list 2. List 2 first element is 1. Then we go right, right is null. Then node 2. Then we go right, left is null. Then node. Then we go right. Then left, left is null. Then node, right is null. Then node, then right. So we have list 1 and list 2. So we have to return one list which is sorted. So we will apply two pointers, I pointer here and j pointer here. So in this element 1 is smaller, so we will add element 1 and increment our j pointer. In this both element equal, so we can add any element. So I am adding I element. So add I element and increment. Then j is smaller, element j add, then j plus plus, then both same. So I am adding I, so 3. Then so here j element is smaller, so add j element and increment your j pointer. Then I element is smaller, here I element is smaller, then both same. Then I am incrementing I element 6. So as you can see, we have exhausted our list 1, but our list 2 remains. So we will uh, again traverse which list is empty. Then here list 2 is empty, then I will add 6 and 7. So now we have used our list 2 also. So this is our merge list. So we will return the list. So let's code this. So we have to first fill our elements in list. So this is our list 1. So fill, or I can say in order. First apply to root 1, then apply to root 2 and fill elements. Then you have to return and merge two lists. So merge two lists, L1 and L2. So here I have to return a list. First I am doing in order traversal. So why return? Let's take this list outwards, outside, and pass this list. Same for this. In list 2. So here I don't have to return. So now it is more simpler. So now node and my list. If node is null, then simply return. Else in order I am applying. So first go to node left with list, then add current node dot, I think it's data. So node dot data. Then go to right hand side with our list. So collapse then we have to merge. So list, this is our answer list, merge it to list 1 and list 2. This is our answer list. So take your variables and n, which is list 1 size, and m, which is list 2 size. If I is smaller than n and j is smaller than m, if list 1 dot get element of I is smaller than the list 2 dot get element of j, so we will add list 1 ith element, then increment our I pointer. Else, if we will apply, we will add list 2 jth element. Or if I is still in the range, then add your I elements. So I can increment my I pointer here also. This is the same thing, not an issue. The same goes for list 2 jth element. At the end, return your answer. Let's first compile this code. I will provide the code in the description box. Okay, we don't have L2. Yes, let's submit this code. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I first solved this question using stack 1 and stack 2. So if you are interested in that code, so feel free to drop a comment in the comment box. And we have successfully solved this question. Thank you all for watching this video.